In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do YouTube keyword research using the vidIQ Keyword Inspector. If you're looking to optimize your video's discoverability and reach more viewers, understanding how to effectively use keywords is crucial. Let me guide you step by step through this process. First things first, ensure you have the vidIQ extension active on your browser. If you haven't installed it yet, I recommend doing so, as it's a powerful tool for enhancing your YouTube strategy. Once you've got it set up, open YouTube, and let's dive into the keyword exploration. In your browser or the YouTube sidebar, you'll find the vidIQ icon. Go ahead and click on it to access the vidIQ dashboard. This tool is your gateway to a more strategic approach to content creation. From the menu that pops up, select Keyword Inspector. This is where the magic really happens, allowing you to dig deep into keyword analysis. Next, think of a topic or a keyword related to the video idea you have in mind. It could be as broad or as niche as you like, depending on the angle you're taking. Type this into the search bar of the Keyword Inspector, and when you're ready, hit Enter. This action will present you with a range of keyword results that you can explore. As you review the results, pay close attention to the key metrics: search volume, competition level, and the overall score of each keyword. These figures are tremendously valuable in assessing how well a keyword might perform for you. The search volume indicates how often people are looking for that particular term, while the competition level tells you how many others are vying for attention with the same keyword. The overall score balances these factors to give you an idea of the keyword's potential effectiveness. Your goal is to find keywords with a high search volume but low to medium competition. These are your sweet spots, the keywords that many people are searching for but fewer creators are utilizing. Choosing the right balance will improve your chances of ranking higher in search results and attracting more viewers. Once you've identified a selection of promising keywords, make sure to copy or save them. These will become integral parts of your video's metadata. Use them strategically in your video title, description, and tags to optimize your content for search engines and maximize its reach. And there you have it. With these steps, you're well on your way to mastering YouTube keyword research using vidIQ Keyword Inspector. This method helps ensure your content is discoverable, drawing in the audience you want. Remember, effective keyword research can make a significant difference in your video's performance, so give it the time and attention it deserves. Thanks for joining me today, and happy content creating!